Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix sleep mode not working in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. After clicking on app management, then scroll down and click on clock. After clicking on clock, then here you can see the option storage usage. Now click on it and here you can clear the cache memory of your clock. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset. Now again click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings. Now enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.